to use the search and replace tool. If this room set point, if I'd have brought them all in and cloned them, and let's say I had a space right there and I had saved all of them, and then I was building a graphic off nav name, if you didn't have that space, then room set point, it wouldn't work correctly. So you can go in here, click on your room set point, go to your tool menu, go to advanced, go to search and replace, and you can filter by room set point, and you can see that extra space right here. So you can hit filter. So you're searching for a space, a capital R, and you want to replace it with a capital R with no space. It'll keep the rest of your naming convention here. So if you hit replace, then you can go back down there, find your room set point, and then you can see up here that there isn't a space now.